Trillions of dollars were riding on this one decision. So, did the U.S. Federal Reserve cut interest rates today, or disappoint the markets again? The answer might surprise you, because markets were pricing in a cut, but the Fed chose a different path. At the Federal Open Market Committee meeting on January 28, 2026, the U.S. Federal Reserve announced that it would keep interest rates unchanged at 3.50 to 3.75%, the same range it has held for several meetings. This decision was widely expected by economists and traders. The vote was 10-2 in favor of holding rates, with just 2 officials dissenting and wanting a cut. The Fed's reasoning was simple. Inflation is still above the target and the U.S. economy continues to show resilience. While inflation has eased compared with past years, it remains somewhat elevated, and employment data suggests the job market is stabilizing rather than weakening. So policymakers decided to pause and watch how the economy evolves before making future moves. Fed Chair Jerome Powell emphasized that monetary policy is not on a preset course. The central bank will assess data meeting by meeting before shifting rates again. He pointed out that although stronger growth and stable jobs reduce the urgency for cuts now, a weaker labor market or slower inflation could justify future easing. After the announcement, markets reacted calmly. U.S. stock indexes edged slightly higher, and volatility eased as investors digested the news. Overseas markets, including Indian equity indices, also showed positive momentum as traders focused on the outlook for future Fed actions. For consumers and borrowers, this decision means current borrowing costs stay stable for now. Loan rates, credit card rates, and mortgage rates tend to align with Fed policy over time, so no immediate drop in interest costs yet. The Fed is signaling it's data-driven and will only cut rates once there's clear evidence that inflation and jobs need support. If you want quick explainers on how Fed decisions affect your money, markets, and India's economy, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment below. Do you think rates will be cut this year?